Hi children, welcome back. Let us dive into fourth lesson, parts and wholes. We will be learning parts and wholes, and we have a story also in this. Do you recognize our flag? This is Indian flag. The shape of this flag is a rectangle with a length of 9 cm and width of 6 cm. We'll have to divide it into 3 equal parts. Right? Now the top color is orange, the center is white color, and the bottom we have green color. At the center we have Ashoka Chakra. This is our flag, Indian flag. And we have, the flag is divided into 3 parts. This is 1, 2, 3. So each part is 1 by 3. When you divide a thing into 2 parts, each part is 1/2 of the whole, right? So that way we call 1 by 2. Each part is 1 by 2. Here, flag is made up of 3 parts. Each part is 1 by 3. So 3 parts. This is 1 part, and this is 1 part, and this is 1 part. Total how many? 3 parts. So each part, total 3 parts, and 3 parts put together, it's going to be 1. So in that case, each part will be 1 by 3. 3 parts are made, so 1 part of 3. This white is also 1 part of 3. And this is 1/3, 1 part of 3. So if we join 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that's going to be 1. 1 is a whole and the others are fractions, or the parts we call it. Suppose there is a lemon. If you cut lemon into half, each part will be, suppose if you cut into like this, then the left and the right. So this is 1 part, this is another part. This is 1, this is 1. Total how many parts? 2 parts. Right? So each one is going to be 1 by 2, 1 part of 2 parts made, and this also 1 by 2. So the total 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is going to be 1. 1 is a whole. Always you represent a thing as a whole or fraction. If you divide pizza into 6 pieces, then it's going to be, each part is going to be 1 by 6. 1/6 you can call. Let us say this is a pizza, and if you divide this is into 4 parts. So we made 4 parts, and each part is going to be what fraction, what part of the whole? It's a 1/4 part, right? This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. All the 1/4s, 4 1/4s will become 1, that is whole. There is another country flag, Afghanistan. It also has 3 colors and some emblem at the center. And at the left we have black color. So here also the flag is made into 3 parts. So the black is approximately how much of the whole? Can you tell? It is 1/3, 1 by 3. And the green part is 1 by 3. And the red, of course, the remaining 1 by 3. We have a flag of Myanmar. Previously it was called as a Burma, and that's our neighboring country. So we have some blue emblem or insignia here, and it's occupying approximately how much portion of the total flag? It is less than half, right? And it's approximately 1/4. If you cut a rectangle into half and another half, so this blue color insignia is on the left top corner. So it is approximately 1/4 of the total flag, right? And the red is how much in that case? So when you make 4 parts of a rectangle, then each part will be 1/4, and 1/4 is blue. And how many are remaining? 3 1/4. 3 multiply by 1/4. That is going to be 3/4. So that is 75% we can call. That is 75%. 1/4 is how much percentage? Can you tell? It is 25%. Per cent. Cent means 100, and 25 parts of 100. So that means that if you make this rectangle into 100 squares, then each square is going to be 1/100. Okay? So 1/100 will be what percentage? It is a 1%. 1 part of 100. 1% means 1 part of 100. That which is all. Hope you all have a class at home. Try to recognize the country's flags. And they start with your own country and the neighboring countries and the big nations and the other nations based on their importance, based on their geographical location and other significance. Slowly you will get to know the complete geography of the world. There are oceans also. If you have a globe, on the left side you see some flags are available. So Nepal, Niger, and these are the countries. Try to identify and memorize the flags of each country. If you are lucky, you will be able to collect the flags of other countries as well through the embassies. Otherwise, you can draw on your own. And there are single color flags, multicolor flags, and just start identifying the flags which have 3 colors. And see how many flags have these colors, 3 colors, equally spread across their flag. So if you have some group or the club, you can have your own flag as well. Here is the flag of Math Club in a school in Kerala. And it is rectangular in shape, and it is divided into 5 parts, equal parts. And the top and bottom we have the red color, and green, blue, and at the center we have yellow color. And there is some logo that is fixed here. The logo seems to be made of some shapes. You also can make your own flag for your home, for your class, and for other groups also. You can make a creative flag for your family. Try it. That's an identification for your family. Try making a magic top. It's a simple. Take a cardboard piece and draw a circle of 3 centimeter and cut it out. You can make a bigger one even. You can make a circle of maybe 6 centimeter or 10 centimeter. That will be big and the colors will be more visible. Divide that circle into 8 equal parts. If you make that circle into 8 parts, each part is going to be 1/8. And you have 8 1/8s put together will become one circle, right? You color the segments as suggested here and put some pin or matchstick or some toothpick at the center of the circle Your top is ready. Spin it and see when it is still, not running. Then you will see all the colors. But check what you see when you spin it fast. I am sure you will see something else, not the individual colors. Make an observation. Discuss with your friends. Some practice time. Manju has a chocolate bar. That chocolate bar has got how many parts? Here 2 rows and we have 6 columns. 2 by 6 is 12 pieces. You can make 2 by 6 parts or pieces of this chocolate bar. Okay, so total parts will be 12 and each part will be 1 by 12, right? Now, how she distributed to her friends? She gave 1/4 of it to Raji, 1/4 to Raji. You have made this into 12 parts. 1/4 of 12 is how much? 1/4 multiplied by 12 is how much? 3. 3 parts. 3 parts was given. 3 parts are given to Raji. Okay, and 1/3 is given to Sujata. 1/3. So 1/3 is going to be how much? 1/3 of 12 is 1 by 3 multiplied by 12 is 4 parts or 4 pieces. So Sujata got 4 parts and Sheila got the least, that is 1/6. Sheila got less portion, that is 1/6. Okay, so 1/6 of 12 is going to be how much? It's going to be 2 parts. Okay, how many pieces of the chocolate did each get? Write down here. We did it already. So Raji got how many? 1/4. 1/4 of 12 is 3 parts. 3. And Sujata got 1/3 of 12, that is 4 parts. And Sheila got 1/6 of 12 is 2 parts. So how many are given back to their friends? How many? Manju has given how many to her friends? 3 plus 4 plus 2. That is 7 plus 2, 9. And Manju is left with how many parts? Can you tell? 3 parts, right? Total 12 and given away are 9. So 12 minus 9 are 3. So Manju is left with 3 parts and that is what part? What portion? Can you tell? It's a 3 divided by 12. So that is going to be 1/4. Okay. So 1/4 of the chocolate she kept with her and the remaining distributed as per this. So when you have a chocolate and make it half and give half to your friend, then how much you will be left with? Half. Half means 1 by 2. And you can say in the percentage. Percentage will be 1 by half is 50%. And the other half will be 50%. 50 plus 50 will be 100%. That is a whole chocolate. So I got so many hats here and we need to color. Color 3/4 hats blue. We got how many hats? Let us count. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total we got how many hats? 15 hats. And you need to color 1/3 of the hats. 1/3 of 15 is going to be how much? Can you tell? 15 if you divide into 3 parts. Each part is going to be 5. So 1/3 of 15 is 5. 5 you need to color them red. And the next 3/5 hats blue. 3 by 5 multiplied by 15. Can you tell how much of this? Can you tell how much is this? This is going to be 9. So 9 hats you need to color in blue. Here's the question. How many hats did you color red? 5. How many hats did you color blue? 9. What part of the hats are not colored? So what will be the remaining part? The total 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 hats are colored. So what is left? Only 1. 15 minus 14 equals to 1. Right? Hat not painted, not colored. So one hat will be what part? Can you tell? Total 15. So 1 will be 1 by 15. 1 by 15 part of the hats are not colored. Got it? Maybe the person at the center. Okay. Equal parts of a triangle. Here the white triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. As you see, this is a center point of this side, center point, and they are joined to the center of this triangle. These 3 are equal parts. The triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. Each part has 4 sides. Any 4-sided shape is called quadrilateral. If all the sides are equal, then that is a square. Opposite sides are equal, that is a rectangle, whereas length is more than the breadth. These are the other quadrilateral family shapes. You can divide this triangle into 3 equal parts in different way. Try drawing a vertical line from here. So from this point, touching the center point of this. So you can divide a triangle into 3 equal parts in many ways. On the left side you see the other options that you may choose to make to divide them into 3 equal parts. Here 6 parts of a rectangle. This rectangle is divided into 6 equal parts. Okay, we have vans here, trucks, and this is one way that is shown here. There are different ways to cut this triangle. So now this yellow surface on this truck or the van is rectangular, and make a design or divide that space into 6 equal parts. Think how you can make. It's a simple. Try many other combinations. Some combinations I have shown on the left here. Take a clue and you can make many more. When you cut a rectangle into 6 pieces, 6 equal parts, each part is going to be 1 by 6 or 1/6 of the whole rectangle, right?